Hi, how are you? Today we will learn how to use there is and there are at work or in business in just a few minutes. We use there is and there are to say something or someone exists or something happens. Using there is and there are will help you write and speak much better. So I want to cover two things today. One, I will cover some very basic and easy grammar. And two, I will write some sentences that will help you in business or at work. Okay, so for the grammar part, we need to learn how to use there is and there are correctly. All right, so look up here at there is. So the general rule here is if the noun after there is singular or uncountable, then it takes this singular form, okay? So for example, look down here. There is a table, okay? A table is one, singular. So in that case, it's going to be there is, all right? And so for there are, it's almost the same rule, but it's plural, okay? So if the noun after there are is plural, then it takes the plural form, okay? So for example, look down here, there are many customers, all right? So customers is plural, and it goes with there are, all right? Usually, often we use these words with there is and there are. They usually go before the nouns here, okay? So these are articles, these are quantifiers, and these are numbers, all right? So for example, if you look at this example again, there is a table. These words go before the noun. And the same thing down here, there are many customers. Before customers is many, all right? Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now let's look at some job and business related sentences using there is and there are. Number one, there is a meeting. So as you can see, meeting is a singular noun, so it's going to take the there is singular form. Number two, there are 3 employees. Employees is a plural noun, so we are going to use the there are plural form. Number 3, there is money in the bank. Money is an uncountable noun, so we are going to use the singular there is form. Number 4, there isn't any news on TV. I made this sentence negative by putting not in here. So if you want to make it negative, all you have to do is put not next to the verb. News is uncountable, so that's why it is there is, the singular there is form. Number 5, there are many bills to pay. Bills is a plural noun, so it's going to take the there are plural form. Okay, look at the number 6. Number 6, I made this sentence a question, a yes and no question. Are there many bills to pay? Question mark. So it's very easy to make a yes and no question with there is and there are. All you have to do is switch the order around. So up here you can see there are, in number 6, are there. Okay, so it's very easy to make a question. Number 7, there is an accountant. So don't forget, an accountant is a person, it's a single person. So in this case, it's going to take the singular form. Don't forget, if you want to change the tense of the verb, you can. So for example, you can change this to was if you want. All right? Okay, so if you have any questions in this short video or any comments, please leave them below. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Have a very good day.